Hey there, my name's Adam, and this is my 117th week of my renovation here on Iris Street. It's more money this week, let's do it. Week 117 is one of my shortest weeks to date. It starts with another 5 inches of snow and ends with mudding in the bathrooms. Work took up 90% of my week, so I get what mudding done in the bathrooms that I can. The bathrooms are the only rooms left that need their base coat of mud, which includes the taping of all joints. Due to the transition joints between the drywall and the cement board, it takes a little longer to complete the base coat in the bathrooms. I'm signing off for now. See you next week, and happy renovating.